Hey guys, today we're gonna be opening some Pokemon trading card game booster packs. It is ages 6 and up. It comes with 3 booster packs and a ground down coin and a rare Giratina card. Let's get to it. This is what we got inside that pack. We will show you all the codes that we got at the end of the video. So watch till the end. So this is the ground down coin. We got a Fates Collide pack, a Breakthrough pack, and a Breakpoint pack. We're going to be opening these 2 packs today. And this is the rare Giratina card. It has a blue shadow fall. We're going to be opening the Fates Collide pack first. We got a Cincino. It has a move Sweeping Curl and Knockaway. We got a trainer card. It's an Old Amber Aerodactyl. We got a trainer card. It's Scorched Earth. We got a Superior. It has a move Coil and Slashing Strike. We got a rare trainer card. It's a random receiver. We got a card ink. It has a move Paladin. We got a Fennekin. It has a move and Right Out. We got a Solosis. It has a move Mini Link. We got a Rago. It has a move Smash Punch. We got a Spoink. It has a move Rocket Jump. We're going to be opening the Breakthrough pack. We got a Snorlax. It has a move Knockaway. We got a Stunfisk. It has a move Revenge and Thunder Blast. We got a trainer card. It's Fisherman. We got a Mega MewtwoEX. It's a Mega Mewtwo It has a move Psychic Infinity. And it has 210 health. We got a rare Fracture. It has a move Sharp Fang and Dragon Slayer. We got a Bronzor. It has a move Payback. We got a Skittle. It has a move Razor Leaf and Rising Lunge. We got a Staryu. It has a move Continuous Spin. We got a Paris. It has a move Blocks. We got a Doduo. It has a move Double Stab and Doduo Delivery. These are all the codes that we got. These are all the cards that we got. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe.